Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You need the camera tool or photo mode unlocked. Grab it now. Open the pause menu or press your camera hotkey, then equip the camera gadget so you can move freely. Once done, turn off HUD elements to declutter the shot and select your resolution and aspect ratio. Higher settings give clearer images. Make sure your subject is in frame before moving on. This initial setup saves time and prevents redoing compositions later. You're composing the scene now, so move the camera slowly and use free look for accurate framing. Change focal length to control subject compression and tweak depth of field to isolate your subject. A shallow plane blurs backgrounds nicely. Next, dial exposure and ISO to balance highlights and shadows. Watch for blown-out skies. Once the basics are right, apply subtle filters and color grading to match mood. Make small adjustments, review, and refine. You're ready to capture. Pick burst or timer modes for motion shots and take several versions at different settings so you have options. After shooting, save and export the highest quality file available. Store a backup in case you retouch later. If the HUD unexpectedly returns or the game stutters or crashes, reload the last save and retry the session. This usually restores settings. If problems persist, lower graphics settings briefly, then repeat the photo session to stabilize performance.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.